Marwan Pick's Darbar Hall was the venue where Consul General of Saudi Arabia, Muhammad Abdullah Abdul Daim, received hundreds of metropolis's crème de la crème who converged there to celebrate the 87th National Day of Saudi Arabia. Conspicuous among others, there were Sindh Governor Muhammad Zubair, Chief Minister Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, the Speaker Sindh Assembly Agha Siraj Khan Durrani, leading literati, politicians, entrepreneurs, journalists and expatriates. Diplomatic corps was there in full force. Among others, there were Consul General of China Wang Yu, Consul General of France François Delorceau, Consul General of Turkey Murad Mustafa Onat, Acting Consul General of USA John Warner. Following recitation from Holy Quran and playing of national themes of the two brotherly countries, Consul General Daim addressed the ladies and gentlemen in the audience and shed light on the Pak Saudi religious, cultural, political and economic bonds. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Sindh lauded the Saudi hospitality when he went to perform Hajj along with his family. He told that CM and his family too were witness to the generosity of Saudi government.